1 year ago, I was completely lost. No energy, no direction, no motivation. So I made one decision, 30 days, one challenge, and it changed everything. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, what changed, and how you can do this too. Stay till the end, because the last part is the most important. Week 1, mind. First week, no mindless scrolling. Every morning, 30 minutes of reading or journaling. First 3 days felt impossible. By day 7, my mind was clearer than ever. Week 2, body. Second week, wake up at 6 a.m., 20-minute walk. No gym, no equipment. Just move your body. When your body shows up, your mind follows. Week 3, habits. Third week, I cut one bad habit, late night snacking. Replaced it with 10 minutes of reflection. Small swap, massive shift. Week 4, identity. Final week, every morning I told myself, I am someone who shows up. Sounds cringe, but your identity drives your behavior. Change the story, change the result. By day 30, I wasn't the same person. Not because I did anything huge, but because I did small things every single day. Consistency is the cheat code nobody talks about. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need 30 days and a decision. Start tomorrow. And if you want a full day-by-day breakdown, grab the free checklist in the description. If this hit different, drop a comment below. And watch this next video. It'll show you exactly how to build habits that actually stick.